It's the Fix Mix Master here, where anything is possible. Today the weather looks nice, but some days it's very hot and the car is hot. Some days it's cold and the car is cold. So we will look for a solution today to resolve that problem, and that will be installing a remote starter. The items you will need for this project is the receiver, sender, the cable. It's a harness for specific vehicles. You'll also need the flash updater to update the software and decrypting the keys. Additionally, you will need to have the hood pin and the safety switch to turn off the system to prevent anyone from accidentally starting the car while the hood is open. And we'll use some wire connectors to connect the wires so that we don't have to cut any of the wires in the existing vehicle harness. We'll just tap into the wires. These are called wire taps. They're different sizes, and you can find them online. This particular install, I will use the existing key fob for the Audi Q5. And the way this works is you hit the lock button 3 times to start the car and 3 times to stop the car. It's OEM fit, original equipment, so it makes it easier instead of carrying a second key fob on your key ring. Also, just to remind you that this vehicle does not have a start-stop, it's a push start. You'll need to insert the key within in the slot to keep the car running. At this time, I'll prep the harness cable with the wire connectors. There are 3 wires here that we'll use. The blue yellow goes to the brakes, and the gray wires goes to the cam high and cam low. This blue wire here goes to the switch that controls the high and cam low. At this time, I will use these connectors to prep the wires to make them easier to connect to the car existing. See, harness. I have the harness connected to the key switch. It's way deep in there, and the harness runs all the way over to this yellow cable here that goes to the brake switch, and then I have it connected to the panel on the fuse box for the cam high and the cam low. These 2 here, the orange cables. Time to test the remote start to see if it works. We'll give it a shot. All doors must be closed. Hit the remote 3 times. There you go. You can see the dashboard lit up. The vehicle started. Door is locked. Nobody can get in. You can unlock the door, enter the car, and we can see that the car is running. We will attempt to shut off the car. It's the same process. Hit the button 3 times. There we go. Vehicle shut off.